Good morning. This is the 4-minute morning, and it's Crypto Day, 22nd of May, 2018. That of a Tuesday. Silver in a very solid, choppy range, and the price action up to 1662. If all you've done here lately has been buying at around 16 and a quarter, and then selling it when it gets to 1680, you've probably done that back and forth, rinse repeated that cycle about 7 or 8 times. It's close to that 1680 number. Later today, I'm going to talk about the trading strategy mechanism I talked about last year with the silver market on the hourly time frame. And that will be to talk about trading, the strategy, why it's designed for choppy markets, and why a movement like silver works very well works within, of course, crypto trading. Gold has interesting daily time frame, just holding around this Fibonacci line, but not like silver. And on the weekly time frame for gold, it's still got a higher low in place, and it's just got to stay above 1239 for that to continue on. But it's got a long ways to go. It just seems as if it's taking forever. It's got to get above this resistance, roughly close to 1400, for this to really get going. This has made the gold to silver ratio go down, as we see this on the daily time frame coming back to where it came from after a sudden move down there before. And on the weekly time frame, it looks as if this low is going to be taken out and probably should maybe come down to 75. But let's move on to cryptos and start off within that of Bitcoin, $82 and change. And it's a declining 18 average, comes up to it on Sunday, just stabilizes yesterday and today. It looks like today's status, or what it's doing, is leaving the 18 average of lows, as it should come up towards this previous low of 79 and high change, which it should struggle with if, of course, that's what's in place. I'm going to take a look at this on a 60-minute time frame, and it's been in a trend of lower highs, lower lows, still below the 18 average of lows after a decent 60-minute time frame. So it's got a lot of work for this thing to really get going on two levels. One, because it's got to get above this 18 average of highs, it's got to flatten out, and then it's just a lot of work there. Also, for that long-term level of around the close to 11,000 mark, well, that's a long ways away. But so is the 6,000 support mark too. And the decline, the statement that it's saying that this thing is going to roll over, hasn't lost its status, but it is, of course, getting weaker. When I mentioned this on the 400-minute time frame, I first talked about where it looked good to short, and actually ditched that idea because this computer's acting up a little bit. So I'm going to give this a restart. I'm going to make this shorter than 4 minutes in the for this video, and I'll be back later on in the day. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a good day. Bye-bye.